Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Toyota RAV4, one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the new RAV4, from its design and performance to its features and technology. So, let's dive in. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to build on its reputation for stylish, rugged design. The exterior features sharp lines and a bold stance, giving it a modern and aggressive look. The front fascia has been updated with a larger grille and sleeker LED headlights, providing a distinctive presence on the road. The grille design is now more prominent, and the new LED headlights not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of sophistication. The RAV4's aerodynamic shape and high ground clearance make it ready for both city driving and off-road adventures. The 2025 model comes with a range of wheel options, including stylish 18-inch and 19-inch alloy wheels. The side profile remains dynamic with its sculpted lines and contrasting roof options, allowing for a personalized touch. Step inside the 2025 RAV4, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and well-appointed interior. The cabin offers a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. High-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and available leather upholstery, create a premium feel. The redesigned dashboard features a new, larger infotainment system with a 10.5-inch touchscreen display. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Comfortable seating is a priority, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo space, making the RAV4 versatile for all your storage needs. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 offers a range of engine options to suit different driving preferences. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency, producing 203 horsepower. For those seeking better fuel economy, the RAV4 Hybrid is an excellent choice. The hybrid powertrain combines the 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, delivering a total of 219 horsepower and impressive fuel efficiency. The RAV4 also offers an all-wheel drive system, enhancing traction and stability in various driving conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets, highways, or off-road trails, the RAV4 provides a smooth and confident ride. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 RAV4. The infotainment system includes advanced navigation, a premium audio system, and multiple USB ports for charging devices. The available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable information at a glance. Safety is paramount, and the RAV4 comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This suite of advanced safety features includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and more. Additional features such as the blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system further enhance driver awareness and confidence. The driving experience in the 2025 RAV4 is enhanced by its well-tuned suspension and responsive steering. The cabin is designed to minimize road noise, ensuring a quiet and comfortable ride for all occupants. Drivers can choose from multiple driving modes, including Eco, Sport, and Normal, to tailor the driving dynamics to their preferences. The hybrid model also offers EV mode for short-distance, all-electric driving. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is available in several trim levels, each offering unique features and capabilities. From the well-equipped LE and XLE trims to the luxurious Limited and off-road ready TRD off-road, there's a RAV4 for every lifestyle. Pricing for the 2025 RAV4 starts at around $27,000 for the base model and goes up to approximately $40,000 for the fully loaded trims. The hybrid versions are slightly more expensive but offer significant savings on fuel costs over time. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to be a top choice in the compact SUV segment. With its stylish design, advanced technology, impressive performance, and strong focus on safety, the RAV4 is well equipped to meet the needs of modern drivers. Whether you're looking for a reliable family vehicle, an adventurous off-roader, or an eco-friendly hybrid, the 2025 RAV4 has you covered. Thanks for watching our comprehensive review of the 2025 Toyota RAV4. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive reviews and updates.